I like to slice the vanilla bean in half, score it down the center, because we're going to open it up, and it's not so much the vanilla bean, but the vanilla seeds that are going to add the flavor to it. So I've just scraped this off, and I'm going to put this in with the lemon peel and juice, and this will all cook together into an amazing gooseberry jam. So here we go. And the vanilla bean just adds a different flavor from the vanilla extract. It's a little more fragrant because you're really getting the essence of the vanilla into whatever it is you're cooking, and it really opens up when it's simmered like this. It's not quite as necessary if you're baking, but when you're immersing it in a liquid, especially something that has a little acid in it, you tend to get more flavor.